Welcome to the Comtrend 3120 Basic Installation Guide. Let's take a look at what's in the box. You have your Comtrend 3120 modem, your power adapter for the modem, your Cat5 Ethernet patch cord, and your modem line cord. On the back of your Comtrend 3120 modem, you have your DSL line cord slot, your USB port, which is reserved for GTA use only, your Ethernet 1 port, which is normally used for internet hardline connections, your Ethernet 2, 3, and 4 ports, which are normally used for digital TV connections, your Ethernet WAN port, as well as your reset button, which is for GTA use only, your on and off power switch, which would turn the modem on or off, and your power adapter slot. Let's connect the modem. We can start by connecting the line cord to the DSL line cord slot. Your Cat5 Ethernet cable, if it is used for internet, it would go into the Ethernet 1 LAN port, or if it's used for digital TV from your set-top box, it would go into Ethernet 2, 3, or 4. And your power adapter would go into the power adapter slot. Now you're ready to power your modem. You can do so by pressing the on and off switch. Be sure that the switch is suppressed to enable power to the modem. On the top of your modem, you have your power indicator light, which would be green if the modem has turned on and booted properly. Your Ethernet WAN light, which is for GTA use. Your Ethernet 4, 3, and 2 indicator lights, which will be lit if Ethernet link has been established with the corresponding ports, which is normally used for digital TV coming from your set-top box. And your Ethernet 1 indicator light, which will be lit if Ethernet link has been established for a hardline internet connection to either a PC or a router. Your Wi-Fi indicator lights, 2.4 gig and 5 gig, will be blinking if data has been transmitted or receiving through Wi-Fi of either frequency. Your DSL1 indicator light, which should be solid green if a connection has been established to the network. And depending on your network configuration, DSL2 may also be solid green. Your internet indicator light, which should be green if internet is available. If your internet light is red, you do not have internet connectivity. If your network is running at 100 megabits per second, your Ethernet 1 indicator light will be blinking amber or orange. And if you are on a 1 gig network connection, it should be blinking green. On the front lower left hand side of the modem, you have your 2.4 gigahertz and your 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi on and off switches. To turn on or off on either of these networks, just hold the button down for 20 seconds. The corresponding indicator lights on the top of the modem will shut off or turn on. Here we have our modem properly booted up. If you notice, the power light is green. We have a Ethernet connection on Ethernet LAN port 2 coming from our set-top box. We do not have a internet connection on Ethernet 1. We do have our 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks available. Our DSL1 connection is green, indicating we have a connection to the network. The configuration for this demonstration doesn't require DSL2 to be active, so that would be blinking. Your internet light is green, indicating that there is internet available to this modem. If your internet light is red, it signifies there is no internet connection. Please contact GTA. Proper connection for your modem should take in between 3 to 5 minutes long to properly boot up. Thank you for using GTA.